Hi everyone, this is Dino of Links FA. I'm going to do a special feature of the Glock 44 Threaded. Hi everyone, welcome again to Links FA. Right now, I'm gonna do a special feature. Marami tayong mga clients, naghahanap sila ng unit na medyo something fun to shoot or fun to train with. It's also sometimes I recommend this for families or for dads who want to teach their kids on how to shoot. This one is made, of course, of one of the most famous brands in the world. It's made by Glock. This is the Glock 44. The Glock 44 right now in my hand is the one with the threaded barrel. I'm gonna give you some explanations on what's special about this unit. Glock 44 is 22 caliber unit, very low recoil. Ideal to sa mga new shooters, for plinking, recoil sensitive users, or mga high volume training users, learning ng fundamentals. Siyempre mga instructors, kung mga gusto magturo, maganda to initial bago sila mag-go to the high caliber. Yung ganda dito is kanyang edition na Glock Ergonomics. Sobrang same grip and angle siya ng Glock 19. This one, of course, kung meron ka ng Glock 19, awesome na awesome. Siyempre si Glock 44 pang training kasi parehas na parehas lang naman sila ng size. Pero, syempre, mas mababa yung kanyang kalibre. Syempre, 22 caliber lang yung ammo nito. Mas mura to, saka mas less expensive sa kanyang center fire ammo. Lightweight and comfortable siya. Maganda sa kanya yung layout niya. Familiar sa kanyang traditional Glock design. May mga limits rin to. Hindi siya pang self-defense. Less lethal kasi siya. Dapat medyo mapili yung mga ammos. Yung kanyang magazine, syempre, 22. So, hindi siya yung parang universal na lahat ng 9mm kasya na magazine. So, also nice, this unit naman meron siyang suppressor, ready. So, pwede mo rin siya talagang awesome na pang plinking na walang sounds. Ito naman yung mga specs nito. Try natin kung how it works. For shooting, I'm gonna use Magtech ammos. Check natin. Galing! Sobrang sarap niya iputok. Walang ka-recoil, pero mas napapractice ko yung kanyang sight picture sa kanyang sighting. Mas napapractice ko rin, syempre, yung kanyang trigger. So, awesome, of course, with the safe action trigger ng Glock. It's a really good practice unit. Also, really good training unit for everyone. Very comparable, syempre, dun sa kanyang Glock 19. 99mm. So again, this is Dino of Links FA. I want to say thanks to Links FA shooting range here in Ortigas, Technopoint. So mga taga-NCR, NCR Plus dyan, please check out our shooting range. Okay siya dahil indoors, quite exclusive. You can try out, of course, our awesome units here before purchasing. Please don't forget to follow our social media accounts and also don't forget to call our hotline kung may inquiries kayo at medyo gusto nyo mag-follow up. Again, this is Dino and I'll see you on our next video. Thanks guys!